Hello guys, welcome to the BI Guy, your solution architect. In this video, we will covering that what kind of tables are there in a data model. So here is an example of a data model, and you can see that it is following a certain schema. So let's see what kind of tables are there in a schema. So basically there are two type of tables. One is a fact table and another is a dimension table. In the previous model, you just saw that there is a fact table and there are multiple dimension tables that are connected to the fact table. It is because it is a star schema. So in the coming videos, we will understand what kind of schemas are there. So for now, we are referring to the star schema to understand what type of tables are there. So basically, there are two type of tables: fact table and another is dimension table. So a fact table is a table that stores the measurements, matrix or facts related to a business operation. Whereas a dimension table or a dim table contain description of that object in fact table and provide information about dimensions such as values, characteristics and keys. Let me give you a practical example. For example, there is a fact table for sales. So it will contains the sale ID, sale amount, discount amount. It will have a customer ID. It will have the factual data that how a line entry will be giving a description of that sale, that how much total amount was there, how much discount was given, etc. Whereas in a dimension table, it will contain the description, what product was sold. For example, the dim table will be connected to the fact table with product ID, but product ID you can't remember that 001 is which product. The description of that product will be found in a product master or a product dimension table. Similarly, there for customer also dimension table would be connected for that, which will be known as customer master or customer dimension table. So it contains the numeric data mostly, and it contains the text fields describing that factual or numeric data. So let's understand the key differences, that what kind of data types are there in the fact table and dimension table. So as I said, it contains majorly the numeric measures, that what kind of sale has taken place, what kind of discount was given, whereas the dimension table contains the textual description of that sale. So the purpose is to store the business metrics, whereas it is to provide more context for analysis. For example, what customer saw, the customer information if you want to analyze where your sales were the most, in which city, in which town, etc. Schema. So when it comes to schema, there is a single fact table that is into the center of star schema, where as the dimension table are many and it is surrounded by the star schema, which can be seen over here in the image, that there is a single fact table and there are multiple dimension tables connected, and that dimension tables may or may not be connected to sub-dimensional tables, which give more information about the dimension table. And basically what it does is dimension tables helps us to query the filtered version of your fact table also. If you want to filter your fact table using dimension table, that can also be done. And the row count, if we differentiate, the fact table may have a large amount of data, whereas the dimension tables contains the unique value, so it has less amount of data. Hope you got the solution. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.